Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how much it costs to send money with Remitly. Remitly's fees are not a fixed amount, they vary depending on several factors. The main costs you'll encounter are the transfer fee and the exchange rate. First, the transfer fee. This is a flat fee that can range from $0 to a few dollars, and it depends on a few things: the country you are sending from, the country you are sending to, the amount of money you are sending, and the payment and delivery method you choose. For example, using a credit card might have a different fee than using a bank account. Second, the exchange rate. This is where a significant part of the cost can be found. Remitly, like other money transfer services, makes money on the exchange rate. They offer an exchange rate that is slightly less favorable than the mid-market rate, and the difference is a form of fee. It is important to compare the exchange rate you are getting with the current market rate to understand the full cost. Remitly does offer promotions, especially for new customers. These can include a special, more favorable exchange rate on your first transfer or even a $0 fee for a limited time. These offers are great for trying the service, but keep in mind that the fees and rates may change on subsequent transfers. The best way to know the exact cost for your specific transfer is to use the Remitly app or website. Before you confirm your transfer, they will show you the exact fee and the exchange rate, so you'll know exactly how much your recipient will get. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.